Hey everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. Today we've got this, well, quite frankly, a very rare Volvo V50. This is an R-Design 2.4 D5 model. It's the Geartronic, so it's the automatic. Done 60,000 miles. It's got 15 services. 4 owners, I think, in total. Very, very, very well cared for car. In lovely condition. Looks the part with the R-Design styling. It rides on the 18-inch alloys. Now I'm going to call these the Mahir wheels, but I can't remember exactly, so don't quote me if I'm wrong. There are 1 or 2 small marks on the wheels, but overall they are very nice. The brakes are all very recent. The car itself is super clean, really. It's got rear parking sensors. Swan neck tow bar, although it doesn't look particularly used. You could unbolt that if you don't like the look of it, you wouldn't see it. There is a tiny ding there, which we're going to have our Dentman try and take out. Brand new tyres all around, comes fully serviced, can be done at 46 or 48,000 miles from memory. Comes with a new MOT. We've already given it a health check, everything works, there are no issues with the car. As I say, very rare bit of kit. We'll show you inside, starting with the boot. These have a really good sized boot for a mid-size estate car, as you can see there. With the false floor, looks like you could get a spare wheel in there if you want. Dog guard is there, and I think we have the parcel shelf for the load cover. Got the R-Design interior with Isofix to the rear and electric windows and your centre armrest. And in the front, same interior with the electric driver's seat with memory, and the bolsters are all in very nice condition. Some of these can split along here, but this is all perfect. With the multifunction steering wheel as well, electric mirrors, electric windows, etc. Auto wipers. Obviously being a Volvo, it's not got auto lights because the lights are always on. 60,703 miles, and I'm going to start the car and put the heated seats on because I am freezing. First start of the day, as you can see, starts without issue, and there are no warning lights. Proper sounding 5-cylinder diesel, ultra reliable engine. These really good. Audio and phone controls this side, cruise control this side. We've got the auto dipping rear view mirror with the compass inbuilt, CD, AM, FM radio with USB and iPod connectivity. If you can see it there, it does move pretty fast. We've also got Bluetooth phone, as you can see there. Down here we've got your auto climate control and your heated seats, which is what I'm looking for. Gear shifter, cup holders in the centre, and under here, I do believe is where your connectivity is for your iPod and your USB. Handbooks are in the glove box, and that is about that. A very nice example. Drives perfectly well, looks the part, and again, a rare old thing. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Finance is potentially available due to the age of it. We are limited on lenders, but we can do our best. We can but try. Give us a call, get involved. Thanks for watching.